try to do a cartwheel, you guys. So, I was trying to do a cartwheel. Okay, now we're gonna do a cartwheel. I'm scared.
Pag nasuka ka,
No.
Likod-likod.
Wait, here we go.
Grab the most affordable pizza if you want to go.
Okay, ako ito.
So anyway, I have a list of
Quack.
four. And we have the most affordable pizza if you want to go that route. We have all three.
Whee! Oh wait. I think my legs were bended. Beep, 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 beep.